there is that. Then I want to do this, and this is open strings, noting the fiddle. Okay, there we go.
Page 20, exercise 19 should sound like this. You're now beginning to play notes with the left hand, and the whole object here is to get your finger to play a note that's neither too high nor too low. Exercise 19, ready, play. Just as an example of what you shouldn't hear, I'm going to play one that's too low. And you can just move your finger up on the string a little bit. Here'd be an example too high, the open string. That sounds sharp. So the note you're looking for is... And now in exercise 20, I'll play one, and then I'll leave space for you to play one. So we'll go around these 3 or 4 times each, so that you can have lots of opportunities to make little corrections in pitch. 1, 2, I'll start. 1, 2, 3, you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, you play.
Let you have that one by yourself now.
1,
by yourself.
2, 3, 4. These exercises we'll call answer backs. They can be very useful in my day-to-day experience as a violin teacher. It helps you to know just exactly how high or low these notes should be. Exercise 21, page 21, F sharp on the D string with your second finger. Do, mi. I'll begin. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, you play. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4.
I'll let you have the next two.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good.
Here's another kind of answer back that we'll do in exercise 22, where you get not only the open D string, but the open A string.
I'm going to change
help you be able
this.
to tell whether you have your finger in the right spot or not,
to
too high or too low. And now in exercise 20, I'll play one, and then I'll leave space for you to play one. We'll go around these 3 or 4 times each, so that you can have exercise 21, page 21, F sharp on the D string with your second finger.
Oh, I know what I want
Do,
next.
mi.
I'm going to pause this for a
I'll
second.
begin.
And I am still doing this. So the other thing I wanted you to do, Tina, was to go take that first finger when you do it. You have to do the open D and then the open E. So when you find it and you think it's a tune, then I want you to do this, a slur, where you'd go and you start at near the frog and you just pull the bow down long, and then you put your index finger down and pick it up on the E, then off the E, on the E and off the E. Do it together, it sounds like this. That gets the mechanics of this finger. While it's lined right up here halfway against the nut, it tells you exactly where that finger, what it should feel like when it comes down in the right place. And if I'm doing that and I hear it sharp, I can lower it. And once I find it and I think it's right, I want to do it a bunch of times, like literally, 50 times. I want to do the same thing for my second finger on the F sharp. Once I know where it is, once I feel pretty good about where it is. Just my second finger. Those are called slurs, and we talked about could be either 2 notes, could be 3 notes. Fiddle, a lot of fiddle tunes will start like that with 3 slurred notes. slur. So we're just doing a 2-note slur from the F sharp. You should be able to do about 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then switch bow direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. But it doesn't matter if you don't do 4. Just the idea is to just hammer down that finger once, again and again. All right. So then once we get that, we are going to go to exercises for the song. Here we go, which are on the next page, and we're going to start like with 25. So I'm going to put it on 25 if I can find it here. Let's say maybe this one.
Exercise 23. 1, 2, 3.
Well, this should be 25.
4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 26.
All right, then the next
4
one.
notes. Start with your index finger on the string. Ready, play.
E to D.
Exercise 27. 2 half notes on the open D string. Start on the down bow. Ready, play. 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's it.
Now on page 23, ready to play. Here we go.
Now we're going to play the whole song.
I'll play it straight through. There's no unfamiliar material here because we've already played all of this as exercises.
Good point.
1, 2, begin now. 24, and we have